So what I did this weekend on Saturday, I came in, I drilled out all the rivets on this tack strip and removed the tack strip. And so whoever painted this car didn't remove that. So that's all rust that never got cleaned out from behind the tack rail. And if you follow me over here, this is the original tack rail. So it's been removed. There was a tack strip in this rail, so I spent a good portion of Saturday and just a couple minutes today burning out that tack rail so it was soft enough to chisel out. So that's gotta get sandblasted and painted, and that will be the beginning of doing the convertible top prep for this Nash. On top of that, what we've done is we pulled the tail lights housings and wrapped up the wiring for it after I labeled it, and basically that is going to make this a blank canvas for when Mark buffs it, wet sands it, whatever he needs to do to get this paint looking right.
Now as you see, if you come in close, you'll see some specks in it, some orange peeled through it, some strink lines. The paint job's been sitting curing for quite a while. I went through and sanded it with 15, 2003 to 5000. If you move up here to this upper corner, I went ahead and rough cut in. I went and saw how it came out by compounding it and polishing it real quick, just in this general area, to see how it would come back. And if you look, you'll see that the clarity of the light bulbs behind you that are a reflection is a lot more profound and detailed than the area in the front. It still has orange peel and dirt and shrinkage to it. This perfects and clears up the polish. The paint will look very, very slick when we're done. I mean, I went through and wet sanded all this side. I'm going back now and compounding and polishing it up. Almost done. So that's where I am, hunting out scratches that were in it right here. It's just hard, time consuming, slow. So I've been sanding on it for a while and block sanding. You can see it's still pretty orange peely. I'm going to go through and sand on it a bit more. I'm at 15. I'm going to go to 2003 and all the way through, but right now I got to try to get the orange peel and the dirt out of the top. That's very hard, and so I want to take my time cutting it. Well, I'm at 3,000. I went over it by hand for 15, 2,000, and I've been running the DA over it. And the surface of this is pretty hard, so it takes a while. If this was fresh, I'd be cutting through it really quick. I'm compounding it out right now. Everything's been sanded out to 5,000 grit. In the last stage, I'll use a wet sanding DA and go over a lot of the area to feather it all out from all its block sanding. But went over 15, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. A lot of little dust specks, very orangey. It all came out. It's got a very nice big thick coat of paint on it, and it's just been on there for 20 years. So. Now what I'm doing is trying to just knock off the majority of the rust. I am going to have to put an epoxy paint on to kind of lock it down because the car is finished, and this is something that they overlooked when they did the car.